in Kathmandu.
Walking down a really chilled out high street.
Yeah.
Top rooftop bar, getting some food, a view of Kathmandu. It's quite nice weather, better than expected, and I'm probably too hot wearing too many clothes, and we've just been round this temple, well, as much as we can, because half of it's not accessible after the earthquake, I think, still, do you reckon? Yeah. Anyway, we're having a beer and some food now. So this is our room. Sorry, that's my bed, bit of a mess. We're just about to go out again in a minute. We just come back after walking around. All of our gear. That's Nick. And hi Nick. And this is outside of our window. As you can see, they've got some building work going on. And that's where we drank last night at the end. And that is the other side. So yeah, it's pretty neat and tidy. Had a comfy sleep last night. And then tomorrow, if all is well with the weather, we'll be flying up to Lukla to start the trek. So we're just off out now to get some more, probably beer. So yeah.
It's like a whiskey.
Oh shit, then yeah, it does
Thank
smell
you.
fresh. Yeah, it smells
Good morning. It is 20 past 5 a.m. on the day that we're supposed to be flying up to Lukla. It's supposed to be okay. I haven't actually done these videos at all really since being here because it's been so hectic. So yesterday we spent a whole day kind of touring Kathmandu, just walking, just taking in the sights, and I'll put some footage of that after this clip to show you that first before the Lukla flight, because I was supposed to kind of do a video, you know, when I got to Kathmandu to explain, you know, how the trip went and all of that, but it was just, we were exhausted, up for like 30 hours, and not going to lie, we went for a couple of beers and then went straight to bed. So yeah, just at the hotel at the moment, just packed up, done all of our weighing. Here's a little tour of the hotel, and then we will be on our way to go have breakfast, and then off we go. We both had quite a bad sleep last night as well. Just probably the nerves of knowing whether we're going to get there today or not, but both woke up at about 1:30 and hardly got back to sleep. Nick's really active this morning. So, bags all packed, weighed in, heading off now onto the minibus to start the trip to Lukla. Sat in Lukla airport, and unfortunately the weather's quite bad, so we're delayed at the moment. We're sitting around waiting to see whether they give us any updates and whether we can fly. Worst case scenario is that we've all agreed, the group, that we'll pay for a helicopter, which will be about $2,000 between the 5 of us. Hopefully it doesn't come to that, but I suppose the cool thing is getting a helicopter would be pretty awesome, and it's one of those things really, so we're just waiting to find out and sitting around getting bored. 7 hours at the airport, all the flights have got cancelled, and we've had to pay £300 each to get a helicopter, so this is going to be quite exciting. So we're getting on the helicopter now. Wish us luck. Hi guys. So we are finally here. We got to Lukla on the helicopter, which was insane, and we are hiking up to the hotel to have a cup of tea and then heading off to Phak Ding. Hey! Lovely weather, starting the trek to Phak Ding. Pretty tired, it's been a long day. Let's go! So we are probably about halfway through the first day trek, Phak Ding to Phak Ding. Yes, it's called Phak Ding. And yeah, it's been a long day because we're trekking it in late in the afternoon now. We've got head torches because we might have to wear a head torch, but possibly not. And yeah, just kind of want to get there now and chill. And my God, look at that view. Wow. That's the first proper decent view on the trek we've seen, because as you can tell the weather's worse than England at the moment. It's basically Himalayan rainland. But yeah, if we didn't have a guide, I'd quite happily sit here and have a beer. But yeah, we're going to keep on going now, so catch you in a bit. So, because of the time that we flew in, we've had to resort to doing some head torch. It's getting dark. Hello! How are you?
This is water.
Yeah. So, yeah, very wet, very wild, but again, all adds to the experience. There's Nick trekking away in the darkness. And I'm going to drop the camera, so I'm going to turn it off now. Oh, there he is. We've arrived in Phak Ding, which is where we spend our first night. We are all saturated and want to get warm and eat some food and probably have an early night. What a day. We're going to bed. It's trekking in rain. Everything's soaked, sadly. We're trying to dry it, but there's no heating in the room. This is our room. Nick's sorting all this crap out. Very basic, but it will do the job to keep warm. Got my long johns on, sexy. And yeah, gonna get an early night. It's 9:15 here. I'm gonna try to get up for sunrise. We've got to meet for breakfast at 7:45. And then we're going up to Namche Bazaar. That's probably one of the biggest hill climb days. And then we have a day rest at Namche Bazaar, which will be needed, to be fair. And that's an acclimatisation day. So over and out, going to bed, night.